Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning we're going to look at StOMP, which is a network-oriented object serializer that's available for Squeak, Pharo, Visualworks, VA Smalltalk. Pretty much any Smalltalk you want to use it for, it's available for. And before I go into loading it here into this Pharo image, what I'm going to do is go to the browser and show you how to install StOMP. You go to their website, stomp.smalltalkusers.jp, and if you find out here, you can look for Squeak, you can get for Pharo, you can get it for Visualworks from the public store repository or download the parcels themselves. And for VA Smalltalk, you go to the goodies, and I've done a screencast on how to load things from there. So pretty much any of the major Smalltalks, if you want to try out StOMP and you wanted to write some cross-dialect code that needed to serialize objects, this might be the best way to do it. So let's go ahead. We'll try here in Pharo. Just go here and use Gopher to grab it, and this will just grab it and load it into your image. Comes in pretty quick. Now once that's in, using it is pretty easy. And you'll notice here that we're just using it on straight write streams and read streams on the read side. The reason for this is to show that it's pretty easy to use with any arbitrary stream, whether that stream is over a socket, whether that stream is over a file, pretty much anything. So you open up a StOMP writer and you put some stuff on it. We're putting hello, world, and then the date today. So let's try that. And we'll just write the contents out, do it. Now down here, for testing, you can just create the bytes yourself, or since we've got that in a variable, we can just go ahead and inspect bytes and take a look at it. There's our byte array. We can just grab the same bytes down here and tell the StOMP reader to read on that byte stream and go ahead and try to get those objects. We'll go down here and return it and take a look. And there we have our objects. We look at self, it's an ordered collection with hello, world, and the date. So that's how easy StOMP is to use. Fuel, which I went through before, is actually kind of more like parcels than it is like serialization. You can serialize objects on it, and it's much more convenient to use that way than parcels and Visualworks are. But it's oriented more towards storing code that you want to load fast into an image, probably at runtime. StOMP, on the other hand, is an object serializer, pretty much oriented towards exactly this kind of use. And the nice thing is, it's cross-dialect. So again, if you write a seaside app that you wanted to have the convenience to be able to run across multiple platforms, and you wanted to serialize objects as your mechanism for storing data, this might be the way to go. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.